Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome to my channel, Nature at the Very Core of Science. It is 9:53 p.m., November 24th. We are going to listen a story about the disappearance of the golden toad. This is a very interesting story about the golden toad, which were very much prevalent in the Costa Rican cloud forest. But their number are diminishing, and we will know what could be the possible reason. What can cause a thriving population of animals to disappear in the span of 1 or 2 years? In the case of the golden toad of Monteverde in Costa Rica, thousands of toads were initially observed during the mating season each year. Then 1 year, there were only a few toads. 2 years later, only a single toad was observed, and then the toads disappeared completely. We are very much eager to know that what happened to those beautiful species. How the golden toads could disappear so quickly is puzzling, but the case is even more mysterious because the habitat of the golden toad was within a large nature preserve. Often, animal populations are devastated as humans or natural disasters destroy their habitats. But this was not the case in the protected Monteverde Cloud Forest Reserve. Although the toad's environment was not being visibly destroyed, it was changing in subtle ways. For instance, when scientists gathered data on the toad's environment, they noticed a significant increase in the number of dry days. A dry day is designated as a run of 5 or more days without measurable rain. These dry days resulted in a decrease of available moisture in the weather. Because toads and other amphibians reproduce and live parts of their lives in water, the amount of moisture in the environment affects them to a greater degree than it affects many other species. Of the 50 species of frogs and toads in the study area, 20, including the golden toad, disappeared during the same time frame. The lifting cloud-based hypothesis has been proposed to explain this widespread amphibian loss in the cloud forest. According to the hypothesis, as the number of dry days increased, the base of the clouds that hung over an area rose in altitude. This caused a decrease in the moisture provided by mist in the forests. As this misty cloud atmosphere rose and was lost, the environment suffered, as plants and animals died off due to the drier climate. This series of events can occur repeatedly. Many scientists link such series of events to global warming. Others state that the rising cloud base could be caused by deforestation and other human activities. New information also points to another possible scenario that may have killed the toad. The years following 1986 and 1987 were exceptionally dry due to changes in atmospheric and oceanic patterns related to a phenomenon known as El Nino. The exceptional climate conditions during that period could have contributed to the growth and spread of a deadly pathogen, the chytrid fungus, to which the toad was susceptible. The chytrid fungus grows rapidly in warm and dry climates. The fungus has caused declines in amphibians throughout Costa Rica and may have wiped out the golden toad as the weather in the region became warmer and drier. Scientists warn that although amphibians in this ecosystem are the first organisms to disappear when environmental conditions change, other species of organisms and plants may also follow.